Hey guys, in this video we're going to be showing you how to reset the service light on a BMW, like this one E36, some of the Z3s, I believe some of the early E39s, basically any older BMW, like 90s BMW, with a round 20 pin connector. And all you're going to need for this is literally a piece of wire like this, electrical wire. So first thing I'm going to do is to strip the ends off so you've got a bit of wire showing like that. And I like to twist them together. Makes life a bit easier in the long run. So when you turn the ignition on, you're going to have these, and you can see that it's gone from amber to red, no green on it, so we're going to reset that light now. Right. For this first part, I would make sure the ignition is turned off, so what I always do is pull the keys out and have them with me in my pocket. Pull them on it. Right, here's what I mean by 20 pin connector. There's like a big round thing, and you'll see why. You twist it anti-clockwise, the spinning ring there, and you can pull the top off. And as you can see, and that stays down there, there are 20 holes there. This is on the driver's side on my car, which is a right-hand drive, not a left-hand drive. It may be on the other side on the American or other models. But what we're going to be looking for, as you can see, I don't know if you can see very well, these pins are actually numbered, and we are looking for pin 19, which is ground, which is there. We're looking for pin 7, which is this one down here. So what we do is, so what we're going to do is, with ignition off, I'm going to put this one into 19, this one into 7. Apparently, according to a couple of different sources, some people just say just turn the ignition on and wait, but I've been told you need to turn the ignition on and wait for 3 seconds for the oil light and another 11 seconds for inspection and oil. I've done a service on this recently, so I'm going to do 11 seconds for inspection and oil. When we say ignition on, most cars it's position 2. This one, however, the ignition switch went, so it's just that and that. So now we're going to wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we pull this one out apparently. Then ignition off. And now, with any luck, with ignition back on, that should come up green. Oh, I like that. Fantastic. So it looks like it looks like it needs a bit of a startup. Brilliant. As you can see, that's all reset there for you. So yeah, I'm just going to chuck this one back on. It only goes one way, that V, like that. Chuck that on just to make sure we don't get any dirt on there. And I've also noticed there's a couple of pins which sit in there, which are probably for diagnostic reasons. Right, so there we are guys. I hope that's helped you out a little bit. Like I say, this works on any of the BMWs that have got that 20 pin round connector, so most of which were done within the 90s. I say the later models like my E46 over there, they came with a 16 pin diagnostic connector which is actually inside the car, so you'd have to go about it a different way. But if you did like it, let us know with a like and subscribe underneath, and don't forget to hit that like, that subscribe and the notification bell to stay up to date with everything that's Wolf Kiff Workshop on this channel. Thanks guys, and I'd also like to give a special mention out to Hannah, who asked me this question and prompted me to make this video to tell people how to do this. But yeah, thank you for that, and see you guys again soon.